Components of a pallet rack system are upright frames connected by horizontal beams. Pallets rest on the shelf beams between the uprights, creating the pallet rack bay. There are two materials used in the construction of pallet rack: structural steel and roll-formed steel. Structural steel pallet rack is formed from hot-rolled structural channel where columns and struts are welded together to form the upright. Beams are bolted to the columns with heavy-duty hardware. Roll-formed describes the method of shaping steel sheets into pallet rack columns and beams. These rolled members rely on their shape for function and strength. Columns are punched where beams attach with locking mechanisms which can vary by manufacturer. Either system can be fitted with a variety of pallet rack accessories that provide added functionality, safety, and abuse resistance. For example, backstops and netting used at higher elevations prevent pallets or cartons from falling between rack rows or into the aisles. Row spacers connect back-to-back rows of pallet rack for additional system support and stability. The main aisles are particularly vulnerable to material handling equipment damage. Row end protectors made of heavy steel sections protect the uprights from direct forklift impact. Rub rails, comprised of heavy-duty horizontal members, are affixed between the columns to protect the upright further by preventing it from twisting upon impact. Column guards at the aisle face provide impact protection for individual front columns. Wire decking is a common pallet rack accessory used to prevent cartons or open cases from falling through the rack and to provide extra support for pallet loads. There are a variety of decking options available depending on the application and pallet rack type. Foot plates are used to increase stability and add to the weight-bearing capacity of the rack system. They are bolted through pre-drilled anchor holes to attach the column to the concrete floor. A minimum of 1 anchor bolt per foot plate is required. Pallet supports, placed between the shelf beams, are recommended to add extra safety and support, specifically for inferior or misaligned pallets. They are not designed to support the pallet load. Pallets should always rest on both shelf beams. Safety netting available in a variety of mesh configurations is a cost-effective accessory designed to prevent packaging and debris from falling